So me and Ellie got chippy again. I know. I forgot. Excuse me. I forgot to say salt and vinegar, and they literally put some like salt and vinegar bits in there. And I know I've got my own salt and vinegar, but I feel like, excuse me, I feel like I just need to have theirs. And also, I know what you said. Ellie, have you got the mayonnaise? No. You're right. In that other one that I went to, it is in their paper. They only put it in a box because it was with the cheese. I don't know if I said that until I can't. Anyway, so we went for something different. Oh my god, was that too much? Well, somewhere different. I'm not overly. I mean, that's got cheese on, believe it or not. Right? Whenever we move, okay? I had to go here because the one by us is now shut. Absolute flipping winding. Anyway, let me get the mayonnaise. Ellie, do you want me to bring it in? No. Okay. Anyway, so I've gone for chips. I mean, to be fair, it is melted. That's actually really nice. And mushy peas. Ellie went for the curry sauce, but you're gonna see it. You can't really see it, but anyway, I went for mushy peas this time. And get that on there on the side. This is a large, by the way. I'm just saying. And then I'm going to put some mayonnaise in the corner. And then, I know, I went for a pickled egg. Right? Push the boat out, go a bit crazy tonight. I haven't had a pickled egg in ages from a chippy. Do you know what I mean? That's good. Anyway. Yeah, I'm picking it up. Yes, I'm picking it up. Anyway, that's what I got. Chips, cheese, mashed peas. Bit of mayo. It's actually alright. I mean, it's not the best chippy, but I knew that anyway. But it's literally 9 o'clock and we had no option because apparently all the Chinese are shut. So what? It's okay. It's alright. It will do. There's hardly any cheese. Like, what the hell? What did you do? Sprinkle tiny sausage bit on it? Anyway. That's what we've got. Whatever you're having or had. I hope you enjoyed it or enjoy. And if you haven't had anything, have something. Something is better than nothing. And this is what we got. Enjoy your evening.